Hold on a minute. This drum here now, whiskey. These are strong alcohol in this. Turban. You want me boys to make you have a look? Okay. This come from this. What inside of the drum here come from this? These are Jew plum. You smell him? Very strong. I'm going to show you. That is the liquor. You'd like to have a taste? Would you like to have a taste? Yes, man. Okay. Coming up. Alright. Now I'm going to show you something else. This is the ginger starch. The starch from the ginger. This one now. This is the ginger powder. This is the powder of the ginger. So this one now is the powder. I use it to cook like pork, chicken, rice, anything this can cook. Okay, you just sprinkle it on your meat. So blend it and grind it. This is the rough part. This don't see there yet. So this is the rough part. So I'm going to get this after me see about this. I'm going to get this fine one here. That comes from this one. Okay. Want this company doing. You hear me? I first go and drink.
How's it taste?
Yeah. But it's nicer with the like what you call it, turbo magnum. You understand? So me have that again to put in it, grind again. And this one here now have the my next part of it again when me go and drain and throw back in this. You understand?